So till now we have seen the creational design pattern, right? And what all creational design pattern we have seen? Builder, factory, abstract factory, and finally last session we saw singleton, right? Any doubt till here? So let's today complete the prototype design pattern. Okay, prototype design pattern. This is one of the most simplest design pattern in creational design pattern, as the name suggests, right? Prototype. So you need to create some kind of a prototype from which you can create multiple kind of object. मतलब एक प्रोटोटाइप से मल्टीपल ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट कर सकते हो, या उस ऑब्जेक्ट का रेप्लिका क्रिएट कर सकते हो, या उस ऑब्जेक्ट को कॉपी कर सकते हो, राइट? जैसे वो ऐड नहीं आता है प्रोबेबली, वो ऐड देखा, अक्षय कुमार का एक ऐड है, राइट? वो कॉपी वाला, इट जनरेट्स द रेप्लिका ऑफ अक्षय कुमार, राइट? Similar way. So prototype design pattern says some kind of a mechanism, it allows some kind of a mechanism to create the copy of the object, okay, or probably storing multiple copies, and you are able to get few of the copies from there. इसका यूज क्या हो सकता है रियल वर्ल्ड में अगर इसका एग्जांपल देखो तो प्रोबेबली ऑल द चाइनीज थिंग, राइट? जितने भी चाइनीज है तुम्हारे पास सारा चीज रहता है, एंड देन यू हैव द फर्स्ट कॉपी ऑफ एवरीथिंग, राइट? So that exactly the prototype. You are just creating the prototype. From there, you are generating the product, or you are copying the original product to a duplicate one. ठीक है? हमने जो टू बिल्डर देखा था, right? We saw two builder, right? What was the use of two builder? Two builder takes a product, creates the builder object, right? एक ऑब्जेक्ट लेता है, बेस्ड अपॉन दैट प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ दैट ऑब्जेक्ट, ये एक उसका बिल्डर ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट कर देता है, राइट? सो दिस इज ऑल्सो मतलब a kind of a prototype design pattern, right? Two builder is acting as a prototype creator or probably the copy creator. So simple prototype design pattern में क्या होने वाला है? Every object should give some kind of a mechanism to allow copying the property. ठीक है? तो जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट अलाउ करेगा कॉपिंग, वो कहलाएगा प्रोटोटाइप डिजाइन पैटर्न, या वो सारी चीजें प्रोटोटाइप. सो जितने भी जावा में क्लोनेबल इंटरफेस को करते हैं, राइट? जावा में क्लोनेबल इंटरफेस, राइट? You have the clone method in each and every collections. So that is an example of prototype design pattern, or probably you can create your own interface with that copy method or clone method, and whoever is going to implement that is nothing but said to be called कि ये prototype design pattern को implement करता है. इसे ये simple सा concept है. इसमें एक चीज ये देखते हैं. अब जैसे देखो इसका यूज क्या है, क्यों prototype design pattern यूज करना पड़ता है? Let's suppose कि there is a object A, let's suppose which has 10 properties, right? 10 properties. And you know, ठीक है, कि most of the properties of this object is common, right? Most of the properties of this object is constant या common. So every time, rather than creating this object, ठीक है, तुमको सारा का सारा प्रॉपर्टी कॉपी करना है, you will create that object, you will call setter कॉल करोगे, या फिर बिल्डर से you will set the property, right? सो उतना लाइन ऑफ कोड वेस्ट कर रहे हो, उतना कंप्यूट वेस्ट कर रहे हो, ठीक है? तो उससे बेहतर क्या है, एंड कॉम्प्लेक्स, राइट? क्लाइंट विल नॉट नो कि सारी प्रॉपर्टीज को कैसे पॉपुलेट करना है. मेनी ऑफ द टाइम्स ऑब्जेक्ट इटसेल्फ विल नॉट बी नोन टू यू, राइट? आइदर द क्लाइंट नीड्स टू बी हाईली अवेयर अबाउट द कॉन्क्रीट इंप्लीमेंटेशन एंड उस ऑब्जेक्ट को कैसे क्रिएट करना है उससे, राइट? एल्स व्हाट ही इज सेइंग कि हे, आई एम नॉट कंसर्न्ड अबाउट हाउ टू क्रिएट दैट ऑब्जेक्ट, give me something with this, I'll call you and you can just populate. I have a reference, okay, I have some replica, take this and give me the object like this. अब एग्जांपल देखते हैं, जैसे अभी यहीं पे देखो, ठीक है? यहाँ पे मैंने क्रिएट किया शेप, राइट? व्हेन आई क्रिएटेड दिस शेप, अगर मैं इसको कॉपी एंड पेस्ट करता हूँ, राइट, एग्जैक्टली सेम शेप गॉट जनरेटर, राइट? यहाँ पे व्हेन आई क्लिक दिस शेप बटन, राइट, I have generated this circle object, right? So I have specified some weight, height, adjust किया होगा मैंने इसे, right? But as soon as I copied, whatever thing that I did to that object is automatically got copied to this object, right? But both of these objects are two different objects, right? If I'm changing something in this object, it is not going to be changed here, right? So these two objects are totally different, but this object got created from the reference of this object, right? मैंने इसको कॉपी किया था and मैंने इसको पेस्ट किया है, so now the new object is got created, right? So some kind of a mechanism with which a object allows to clone himself, ठीक है? That is the exact use case for a prototype design pattern. So इस केस में ये कह सकते हैं कि ये जो shape object है, that is implemented the clone interface. तो उसको clone करने का mechanism है, right? So if I see it's how its design will look like, so it's very simple, ठीक है? You have some kind of an interface, prototype, okay? या फिर इसके जगह पे already available है clonable, and your class is going to implement this, ठीक है? Your class is going to implement, and it needs to provide some kind of mechanism for this clone method, right? Clone method का implementation provide करेगा, and clone method, ठीक है? Clone method is going to create a exact copy, ठीक है? Clone method is going to create an exact copy of that particular object, right? So how the implementation of the clone method will look like? Let's suppose this is a class, ठीक है? Let's suppose ABC is a class, okay? And you have some constructor ABC, okay? And like this, and some property it has, let's suppose A, B, and C is the property of this class, okay? And then you have here clone method, okay? And then you have this clone method. Now, how the implementation of this clone method will look like? Either because it needs to create object, right? और ये नया object create होगा because both the objects should live independently, right? That's what we have seen in the shape class. कि although it was copied from the same, but still they are existing independently. The change in one is not going to impact the other, right? So you need to create the new object, right? New object करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? We need to call the constructor. So either it need to do something here, ठीक है? It need to call something, right? Either it will call like this, या फिर probably what is the ideal thing? You will have a copy constructor. C++ में concept था copy constructor का, right? Similar way, a constructor who is going to take the reference of the same object, right, and copy each and every property of इस object का so pqr.a, pqr.b and pqr.c करके ये set करके ये object create करेगा and then it will return the same object. Okay, so clone में क्या है? It will implement some kind of interface which will provide the implementation from this clone, ठीक है? Clone will call mostly a copy constructor or the constructor who is going to receive the same object reference, and it is going to copy the properties or however the object is getting constructed, and then finally it will return you the another object, ठीक है? The object will have the similar properties with which you are cloning, but will have a different reference. मतलब वो दोनों एक अलग-अलग ऑब्जेक्ट की तरह बिहेव करेंगे. जितने भी तुम्हारे कलेक्शन क्लास क्लोनेबल इंटरफेस को इंप्लीमेंट करते हैं, all those are example of the prototype design pattern as well. मोस्टली कोड में बहुत जगह पे देखा होगा, ये जनरली हमने अभी सेव वाला देखा, राइट? सो इन चीज इस टाइप की चीजों के लिए अक्सर वी यूज द दिस काइंड ऑफ अ कांसेप्ट, क्लोन वाला कांसेप्ट. एनी डाउट टिल हियर? प्रोटोटाइप में कोई डाउट? हाउ इट विल लुक लाइक? एनी प्रॉब्लम? ठीक है, उसके बाद देखते हैं कुछ और चीज है इसमें. अब इसको इंप्लीमेंट करने का तरीका बहुत अलग अलग भी हो सकता है. वन थिंग वी हैव सीन कि एवरी ऑब्जेक्ट इज गोइंग टू प्रोवाइड द क्लोन, इंप्लीमेंट द क्लोन इंटरफेस या प्रोटोटाइप इंटरफेस and provide a clone method implementation, right? The other way is some kind of a cache, right? Whatever you have in your cache, let's suppose you have 4 or 5 variants of the object. Let's suppose ki this is large button, this is small button, right? And this is, let's suppose, Excel button, okay? And same way, generally whenever you will work with a UI or similar project, right, the theme should match. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि हर बार हर लोग जो है बटन का कोड अलग अलग लिखेंगे, राइट? Every button should look like same on that entire portal, right? So they are going to use the button or create the button from a central place, right? यहाँ से वो बटन कॉपी होगा, बटन का कोड will lie on a single place. So some kind of a repository, मतलब repository नहीं बोलूंगा, some kind of a class जहाँ पे बटन का कोड लिखा हुआ है, right? And from there you are accessing, let's suppose you are just passing की button dot get button type, okay? Button type, and you will pass some kind of attribute, right? कि तुमको कौन सा बटन चाहिए, स्मॉल बटन चाहिए, लार्ज बटन चाहिए या एक्स्ट्रा लार्ज बटन चाहिए. With that it will be able to give you that exact button, right? So जब मैं इस टाइप के कोड की बात करता हूँ, button dot get button type या फिर button dot get instance या button dot, so which kind of a design pattern is this? Factory, right? Plus it is a factory design pattern, plus what it is doing, it is holding some kind of a prototype, right? Prototype of large button, prototype of a small button, and XL button. मतलब button का prototype it is holding, right? So this is also a prototype design pattern. So this is a combination of a factory plus prototype design pattern. Also sometimes people refer that prototype factory. You can call this probably your class as button factory, prototype factory, whatever. मतलब ये combination है factory और prototype का. Factory इसलिए because similar, like you are constructing the object, large object, large button, small button, and XL button. Factory इसलिए, and prototype इसलिए because it is giving you some kind of a prototype या skeleton code, after which you will do some kind of addition on that particular aspect. So many a times, often they are used together, kind of a thing. Any doubt till here? Prototype is one of the most straightforward use case of the creational design pattern. ठीक है. So if no doubt in this prototype design pattern, so in design patterns we saw creational design pattern, right? And creational we saw factory, abstract factory, builder, prototype, and singleton, right? Builder में I told you, right, कि builder has some complex use cases as well. कि जो तुमको मिलेगा in the refactoring guru or gangs of four, right? It will be different from what I actually mentioned, right? Or what is mentioned on some other portal. So have any one of you have seen the implementation of the refactoring guru? Okay. So if you have not went through that particular aspect, probably there will not be any of the advantage of going through that builder. So builder को फिर अभी के लिए imagine करो कि whatever we discussed, right? Probably in builder you will have some kind of inner class builder where you populate it. It gives you method chaining, and it is specifically useful in the cases where you have the multiple attribute or multiple mandatory plus optional attribute combination. There the builder design pattern are most suitably used. ठीक है? Anything in general in this entire creational design pattern, in this all five? Any doubt in the applicability of these design patterns?